What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dale. Today we're going to be doing a little driveway maintenance. I got a lot of holes that have been blown out in the driveway from my work truck, log trucks, me plowing. So my buddy Brett delivered a triaxle load of millings. And this stuff, once it's a hot day like today, it's over 100 degrees today. This stuff's going to pack together nice. It's probably about 2:30. My truck just told me it was 101, and so it's a perfect time to put it out and compact it. So I'm going to get you set up down there, and I'm going to get the skid loader and put the bucket on, and we're going to start spreading this.